Oh, who's that? Oh, hi.
Hi.
Oh,
What is food? Can you come to my house?
oh,
That's
there's
why
my
I come.
favorite.
Can you come to my house, please?
Okay.
Let me taste this.
Welcome to my video. Okay, let's go outside.
Let me eat this.
We need a gun.
I have gun.
Wait, we need a gun.
I have gun. Sisters, what? You need to come to my house. What your house? Let's go. I have gun. Oh, what is baby?
I need this. Come on. We need to go to Kareem's house.
Okay. Just open the door. Or there's an elevator. Let's go to the elevator. Wait, guys. Open the elevator. Come on. Guys, come on to the elevator.
Hi, guys.
Hello, welcome.
Thank you.
Find your room. But my room is first, okay?
This is my room, just like where I'm baby. Oh, yeah. Blazer room. Okay. Time to find a new thermostat. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, this is the toilet.
Oh, this.
Oh, this.
Me. Why are you there? You even... I just like you. Okay, welcome. Welcome. That's nice. Go to your house. I'm in the room.
Berbeloni ililoloni.
Let's go.
Cool. Okay, let's kill that.
Bye-bye, Blaze. Bye-bye, Blaze.
Let's steal.
Who's in the door?
Harry! Harry, there's a monster!
Sino nasabi? Sino nasabi ng bibo?
Who is it?
Don't open the door. Baby, that's a monster. A zombies. Malaki si Blaze. Malaki na siya.
We need to kill that first. Get your gun.
I have a gun. I have a gun.
Go to your items.
I don't like gun. I have gun. I need to use my super gun.
Ready?
Yes. No.
It's your mark. Set. Go! Ah! Oh no! Don't tell me it's that so cute. I think don't touch. It's a zombie. Come on! Come on, that's a zombie. What are you kidding me? It's a zombie. Ah! Come on! Amy! Amy! Come here, there's a bomb!
Is that out? I have
She disappeared. She's a...
I have
She's a zombie! Are you kidding me?
Let's go out inside quickly in my house.
There's a altars.
I have so many guns. You want
No.
this? Let's see ako. Parang may ganyan tayo. Ako na una.
Time to go to my room. With a really nice sleep.
There's a big hole.
Oh yeah.
The bomba. The bomb.
Wait. That's it. It's morning. But there's a monster forever. What is this? Minecraft? This is not Minecraft. This is
your
your
bed.
Okay. Wake up, guys. I will make you dinner.
I'm just gonna look to the pool, okay?
No, don't go to the pool. Okay. We having bacon.
Kapag yan yung removal tab, ibig sabihin magkitabi tayo. What are you guys cooking?
Bacon.
Bacon.
Yeah?
Okay, let me...
Just like in Roblox. Blaze, you want some bacon? Okay, here you go.
I'm not feeling good.
I don't like this.
Papa?
You get pranked. Okay, lunch ready. We need to eat first. We're done eating.
Find some bed. And I will gonna go to the movie theater. Who wants to go to the movie theater?
Me.
Me. Let's go. Wait for me.
Oh, thermostat.
Wait. Maxine, ba't mo dito kinusunod? Okay, that's the movie theater. Let's go.
I'm going here.
The door. Nasaan kami, Gil? Close the door sa'yo. Close the door. Kakainis.
What movie called this, Chef?
Brother ko na lang kayo. Kami? Oo. Kapag sister kasi, sobrang kulit. Pinapabayaan pa ako. Yung middle at pati yung youngest.
Wait, are you watching Chef in my fridge?
Yes. Yes?
Wow,
Let me change it.
I love that.
What is this?
You like it?
Yes, I like
You
that.
like it, Blaze? Okay. Okay. And there's no monster around our back.
Maybe let's go watch. This one. I need
Oh,
to learn to
Sonic!
cook. I need to learn to cook.
Okay, I'm going up.
Okay. Who wants to go to my room?
Me.
Let me close the light. My room.
Okay. Ready
Just
in
close
the set. Blaze. I'm just gonna sacrifice myself.
Baka mag-fix.
This the last episode, guys. I'm gonna sacrifice myself. Okay? Team Sonic. I'm gonna sacrifice myself.
Brother!
Two. Brother.
Brother! Where is he? Magbay nag-aaway sa
May
akin,
secret.
lalabas na sa bahay. Bakit? Naka-video na. Ha? Naka-video na. Ano? Naka-video na. Ano?
I sacrifice myself.
Oh!
This is the last episode. Ha! Time to go. Time to go. Ha!